Hi, I'm Akram, Global Business Manager at Detonic. We're a startup based in South Korea specializing in the spatial-temporal big data technology. We spun up from Hyundai Motor Company in 2014, and our leadership has more than 20 years of ICT experience. And we have a multitude of patents and software copyrights, and we have published a few research papers. Detonic developed a spatial-temporal big data boosting engine called GeoHiker that can be implemented into existing big data systems as a middleware, allowing for fast and cost-efficient processing of the big data, as well as optimized big data systems. And it can be implemented into a lot of industries, such as smart city, future mobility, etc. Another solution Detonic provides is electronic smart label solution that can be implemented into hospitals, supermarkets, retail shops, etc. And by combining GeoHiker and the ESL solution, Detonic is able to bring a very innovative data management solution that can be used for warehouse management systems, logistics management system, etc. And in terms of the business model, GeoHiker is currently on a solution licensing basis, and we're developing a cloud-based GeoHiker that can be found in cloud marketplaces. And for the ESL, Detonic joins hands with its hardware provider to sell to its local clients as well as export globally. We have many clients from government entities as well as large corporations, and we have global R&D experience. For Vietnam, Vietnam is actually a very fast growing country in terms of ICT, and it has a lot of programmers and developers, and a lot of them speak English, and its strategic location made us want to establish our first global branch in Ho Chi Minh by July. Thank you very much.